All right, guys, this is part three, the last part. Um, this is what happens when you're solving with logs, but not all your terms are logs. Okay? So the property of equality works if you have a log base something on the left side and log base of that same thing on the right side. But what if you don't? What if something doesn't have a log? Okay. When that happens, you want to condense as much as you can, and then convert it to exponential form to solve. So in this problem, we have two logs on the left, and we have just a number on the right. Okay. So first step is going to be to condense. Okay. We're going to condense the left side. Okay. Now we're going to condense it as well. It's a subtractions, and they're both the same bases, so we're going to divide their big numbers. So log base 4 of x over 3 equals 2. Okay. Now to solve this, we can't just get rid of the log part like we did previously because the right side doesn't have a log part. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to convert it to exponential form. Okay. Remember, when you're converting to exponential form, the base of your log, which is 4, becomes the base of the exponent. The answer, whoops, where are we? The answer to your log becomes the exponent to that base. Okay. So this is going to be 4 squared. And then the input of a log is the output of an exponential. Okay. So this x over 3 is what this is going to equal. Okay. All right, now you just have to solve that equation. It's not as bad as it looks. Because we know what 4 squared is. 4 squared is 16. So you're just solving the equation. 16 equals x over 3. So one-step equation, multiply both sides by 3. It goes away. Times 3. 3 times 16 is 48. The 3's cancel out, and you're just left with x on the right side. So 48 equals x, or x equals 48. And that's the answer. Okay. So some things are easier solved as logs, some things are easier solved as exponents. Okay. Let's do the next one. The next one, you have 2 logs on the left, okay, and then again, just a number on the right. Right. So we're going to condense first, and then convert. Okay. The condensing, on the left side, they both are log base 2, and you're multiplying, or you're adding, so we're going to multiply. So we're going to have log base 2 of x times x minus 2 equals 3. Okay. Now we're going to convert. Again, base of the log becomes the base of the exponent. Answer to the log is the exponent, so 2 to the third equals x times x minus 2. All right, solve. 2 to the third power is 8. You're going to have to distribute the x's. All right, so it's going to be x squared minus 2x. And once again, we have a quadratic here. We're going to solve this quadratic same way we solved the other ones. We're going to have to move this 8 over to the other side. Okay. Now again, I usually move everything to wherever x squared is. This is going crazy. All right. So that leaves me with x squared minus 2x minus 8. Factor. What multiplies to negative 8 and adds to negative 2? it's going to be negative 4 and positive 2. And then use the zero product property to solve. Okay, so if we're solving for x, x minus 4 equals 0, that means x equals 4. Or x plus 2 has to equal 0, so x would equal negative 2. Alright, but again, be careful. One of these answers is extraneous. It's the negative 2. If we plug in negative 2 into the original equation, which is just log base 2 of x, you have log of a negative 2, which we can't have. So that's extraneous. So just x equals 4 is the answer.